loves to plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi weeks that I use for work for the week of March 21st through to the 27th, and it is my birthday week. So I am using the happy birthday stickers from According to Allie, and I'll probably be using some of her alcohol inks, so the rose alcohol or the ice or sage. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually take my Tombow Duo brush pen, and this is number 192, and just write in or hand letter in, not the whole word for the day, but just the letter. And I just think it adds just a little bit of decoration to the margin without going completely overboard. So then, let's see here. Which one do I want to use? Because my birthday is actually Saturday the 26th, and I have the Friday off, so I get a 3-day weekend. Woo! So I think what I'm going to use, I'm tempted to leave the birthday cake for my actual birthday in my Hobonichi cousin, the daily spread. So maybe I'll use one floral and one gift, and then I think I will be good for this week. So let's use this blue gift here, but even before I do that, I'm deciding which of these two to use. I'm going to use this green one, and this one was from Simply Gilded, and I can't remember what release it was from, but my friend Adrian got it for me as a Christmas present. So it almost seems fitting that I'm using it for my birthday week, because it was also a really beautiful and generous gift. So taking this present, and I'm just going to place that on here. Yeah. Oh, don't get it stuck on my fingers. But before I do that, maybe let's use one of these blue ones. I'm going to cut that in half so I can get a mix of the green, pink, and blue. Although this ice blue, it's so light that I wonder if it is going to end up being seen. But we will just put it down and have a look. Not too bad, not too bad at all. So then what I could probably do is turn this around, put this half of that alcohol ink up here, put the other washi down, or should I use the same green one? I think I'm going to use the same green one because I love this green. It's more for holiday, I guess, but it's such a gorgeous green. I can't not use it. And then I'm going to use just this. Ooh, looks like it's getting a little stuck. Use this floral. Oh my gosh, that is perfect. Beautiful. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is actually zoom in and write in all my meetings for the week. So there is the overall finished spread. Really simple, but really pretty. I love these happy birthday florals from According to Allie. I think they're just, I feel like they're my colors. I love them, absolutely love them. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.